Marine debris is becoming one of the most persistent pollution problems affecting waterways and oceans around the world. But what exactly is marine debris? It is a term given to any man-made rubbish or manufactured objects that are either accidentally or purposely discarded, and it makes its way into the marine environment. It's not just the rubbish you see washed up and lying around our beaches, it's also floating around the ocean and on the seabed. It can include such objects as rubber, glass, metal, discarded fishing nets, just to name a few. According to the Earthwatch Institute, research has found that urban areas tend to be more heavily contaminated, suggesting local source point pollution. This is due to higher population numbers and increased traffic to coastal areas. When individuals litter or don't dispose of their rubbish correctly, it often finds its way into streams, waterways or storm drains. This rubbish eventually gets carried out into our oceans. Marine debris is also generated by both recreational and commercial boats such as cruise liners, fishing boats or military vessels. Again, research conducted by Shively and Register suggests that human activity is key to waste finding its way into the oceans, either through illegal dumping, negligent waste removal practices or system failures. This waste is causing major problems to the biodiversity of our oceans and affecting wildlife populations. Rubbish floating in the ocean is often mistaken for food by marine animals. Whether it's a plastic bag that looks like a jellyfish or shimmering pieces of plastic that look like fish, animals eat this debris, filling their stomachs with plastic, causing them to slowly starve to death due to a false sensation of being full. It is also introducing chemicals from the debris into the food chain, which may affect sustainable levels of fish and marine species, thus changing the natural balance and equilibrium of the ocean. Lost fishing nets and gear can also cause a lot of damage, smothering coral reefs and blocking out light, entangling fish and marine animals. These abandoned nets are continuing to catch fish, placing stress on the world's already stretched fishing industries. This has been termed ghost fishing and is becoming a huge issue in coastal areas. There are many different organisations, including Greenpeace, the CSIRO and the Australian Marine Conservation Society, which are all working hard to educate and inform consumers about the state of the world's oceans and our individual responsibility to make more sustainable choices. However, it is clear that the most effective way of reducing the harmful effects of marine debris is to stop it from reaching the coastal environment at all. The 3 R's, reducing, reusing and recycling our waste, all go a long way to helping the world's waterways. We can volunteer for Clean Up Australia Days, and we are all responsible to a certain degree to make better choices about how we dispose of our waste.